Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the realm of wooden crafts project ideas, the adaptation to non-toxic finishes by showing you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the realm of wooden crafts, the adaptation to non-toxic finishes represents a significant evolution in both the crafting process and the consumer experience, as it aligns with an increasing demand for safe, sustainable products that prioritize health and environmental considerations. As awareness regarding the potential hazards of traditional finishes, such as volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and harmful chemicals, continues to grow, artisans are embracing non-toxic alternatives that not only protect the integrity of their wooden creations but also contribute to healthier living environments. This shift toward non-toxic finishes is not merely a trend, it reflects a broader cultural movement towards sustainability and well-being that influences consumer purchasing decisions. For artisans and hobbyists alike, adapting to non-toxic finishes opens up a world of possibilities, enabling them to create beautiful, functional pieces while ensuring they are safe for both users and the planet. The journey toward understanding and implementing non-toxic finishes begins with an acknowledgement of the various types of traditional finishes that have dominated the woodworking industry for years. Oil-based paints, varnishes, and certain stains often contain harmful chemicals that can off-gas over time, posing health risks to individuals and families, especially in enclosed spaces. The growing awareness of these risks has prompted consumers to seek out safer alternatives, driving artisans to research and experiment with non-toxic options. This exploration often leads to the discovery of plant-based oils, natural waxes, and water-based finishes that provide effective protection for wood while being devoid of harmful substances. By embracing these alternatives, artisans not only alleviate health concerns but also enhance the appeal of their products to a more environmentally conscious consumer base. The transition to non-toxic finishes also encourages artisans to deepen their understanding of the materials they use and the impact of their crafting practices. Many non-toxic finishes, such as linseed oil, tung oil, and beeswax, are derived from natural sources, allowing artisans to connect with the origins of their materials. This connection fosters a greater appreciation for the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden items, as artisans become more aware of the nuances and characteristics of each finish. For instance, linseed oil penetrates the wood, enhancing its natural grain and color while providing a protective barrier against moisture, which can be particularly beneficial for items like cutting boards or kitchenware. This understanding allows artisans to make informed choices about which finishes best suit their projects, resulting in products that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and safe for everyday use. Moreover, the adaptation to non-toxic finishes aligns with a growing consumer trend that prioritizes transparency and authenticity in the products they purchase. Modern buyers are increasingly interested in the stories behind the items they acquire, including the materials used and the processes involved in their creation. Artisans who embrace non-toxic finishes have a unique opportunity to communicate their commitment to health and sustainability through their branding and marketing efforts. By sharing information about the finishes they use, the benefits of those choices, and the positive impact on the environment and health, artisans can create a narrative that resonates with consumers seeking out responsible and ethically produced goods. This transparency not only builds trust but also fosters a sense of community among like-minded individuals who value safety and sustainability in their purchasing decisions. The benefits of using non-toxic finishes extend beyond health considerations. They also enhance the durability and longevity of wooden crafts. Many natural finishes provide excellent protection against wear and tear, making them ideal for items that see regular use, such as furniture, toys, and kitchen utensils. For instance, a well-applied coat of food-safe mineral oil or beeswax can protect a wooden cutting board from moisture while allowing the wood to breathe, preventing cracking and warping over time. This durability is particularly appealing to consumers who are increasingly looking for high-quality, long-lasting products that justify their investment. By choosing non-toxic finishes, artisans can not only meet consumer demand for safety but also position their creations as reliable and durable options in an era marked by disposable goods. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Furthermore, adapting to non-toxic finishes encourages artisans to explore creative techniques and innovative design possibilities. Natural finishes often require different application methods compared to traditional finishes, leading artisans to experiment with various techniques, such as oil rubbing, hand waxing, or using specialized tools for application. This experimentation can result in unique textures and finishes that add character and depth to the final product. For example, a piece treated with a combination of natural oils and wax can develop a soft, tactile quality that invites touch and engagement, enhancing the overall user experience. This creative exploration not only enriches the crafting process but also sets artisans apart in a competitive marketplace by offering distinct products that showcase their craftsmanship and artistic vision. The transition to non-toxic finishes also complements the increasing interest in DIY projects and home crafting. As more individuals take up woodworking and crafting as a hobby, the demand for safe, easy-to-use finishes has surged. Artisans can tap into this growing market by providing educational resources, workshops, and tutorials that guide beginners in selecting and applying non-toxic finishes. By sharing their expertise, artisans can foster a community of makers who prioritize safety and sustainability in their crafting practices. This educational approach not only empowers individuals to create their own wooden items with confidence, but also reinforces the artisan's role as a knowledgeable resource in the woodworking community. Additionally, the adaptation to non-toxic finishes aligns with the principles of circular economy and sustainable practices, encouraging artisans to minimize waste and environmental impact. Many non-toxic finishes come in eco-friendly packaging and promote responsible disposal practices, allowing artisans to contribute positively to the environment. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly concerned about the ecological footprint of the products they purchase. By embracing non-toxic finishes, artisans position themselves as advocates for environmental stewardship, appealing to a demographic that values ethical consumption and seeks to support businesses that prioritize the health of the planet. As the movement toward non-toxic finishes gains momentum, artisans are also discovering the potential for collaboration and partnership within the woodworking community. By connecting with suppliers and manufacturers that specialize in sustainable finishes, artisans can access a wealth of resources and expertise that can further enhance their crafting practices. Collaborative efforts can lead to the development of new products, shared marketing initiatives, and a stronger network of artisans committed to promoting non-toxic options. This collaborative spirit not only enriches the crafting community but also amplifies the message of safety and sustainability, encouraging a collective movement toward healthier practices in woodworking and crafting. The impact of adapting to non-toxic finishes extends beyond individual artisans. It has the potential to influence industry standards and practices as a whole. As more artisans embrace non-toxic options and share their experiences with consumers, a ripple effect can occur, prompting larger manufacturers to reconsider their practices and offerings. The demand for safer finishes can lead to increased availability and accessibility of non-toxic products in the market, ultimately benefiting both artisans and consumers alike. This collective shift toward non-toxic finishes aligns with a broader societal movement toward health, well-being, and environmental responsibility, reinforcing the idea that even small changes in individual practices can contribute to meaningful progress on a larger scale. The adaptation to non-toxic finishes in wooden crafts represents a transformative journey for artisans and consumers alike, reflecting a growing awareness of health, sustainability, and ethical consumption. By embracing non-toxic alternatives, artisans not only enhance the safety and quality of their creations, but also connect with a consumer base that values transparency and authenticity. The benefits of using non-toxic finishes extend beyond health considerations. They enhance durability, encourage creative exploration, and foster community engagement, creating a rich tapestry of possibilities within the world of woodworking. As artisans share their knowledge and experiences, they contribute to a collective movement towards safer, more sustainable practices that resonate with consumers and inspire future generations of makers. By prioritizing health and environmental considerations, artisans position themselves as leaders in a thriving community that values craftsmanship, creativity, and responsibility, ensuring that the legacy of wooden crafts continues to evolve in a positive direction for years to come. Ultimately, the shift toward non-toxic finishes not only enhances the quality of wooden crafts but also strengthens the connection between artisans and consumers, fostering a shared commitment to creating a healthier, more sustainable future. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.